Welcome to our channel. If you want to verify your IHG Rewards account, follow these step-by-step instructions to complete the verification process and start earning points at Intercontinental Hotels Group properties. Step 1. Visit ihg.com or ihgrewardsclub.com in your web browser. Step 2. Click on Sign In the top right corner and enter your IHG Rewards member number or email address and password. Step 3. After logging in, you'll see your IHG Rewards dashboard displaying your points balance and membership status. Step 4. Look for any verification notifications or prompts about completing your account setup or verifying your email. Step 5. Click on My Account or your name in the top navigation to access your account settings. Step 6. Navigate to Personal Details or Profile Information to review your account information and verification status. Step 7. If your email is not verified, you'll see a notification or button prompting you to verify it. Click on Verify Email Address or Resend Verification Email. Step 8. Check your email inbox for a verification message from IHG Rewards Club with a subject line like, "Please verify your email address." Step 9. Click on the verification link provided in the email. This will redirect you to the IHG website and automatically verify your email address. Step 10. You'll see a confirmation page indicating that your email has been successfully verified. Step 11. Return to your IHG Rewards account settings to confirm that your email now shows as verified. Step 12. Complete your profile by ensuring all your information is accurate, including your name, mailing address, phone number, and communication preferences. Step 13. For additional account security, update your password regularly and consider adding security questions to help protect your account and points. Step 14. With a verified account, you can book stays at IHG properties worldwide, earn and redeem points, access member rates, and receive exclusive offers at brands like Intercontinental, Holiday Inn, and Crown Plaza. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.